Alright, if anyone is familiar with the M156 can tell me what they think about this. So I bought this car like over a year, little over a year ago. It threw a check engine light when I first got it, like a month into it. Swapped out coils, all 8 coils, swapped out all 8 injectors. Then no issues for like a year. I just drove it today. It's like freezing outside. My truck needs brakes. My other BMW, my girlfriend was driving it or needed it, and then my other truck had an issue, so I had no choice but to take this. And drove it all day. Fine. I probably put 200 miles on it. Fucking come back, go to start it, and it's fucking like misfiring. So I drive it, misfire goes away, start it again. Now the misfire stuck. So it threw a code for misfires in 1, 3, 5, and 6. All I did was swap the old coils that I had before on 1 and 3, and now it's running fine. Can you guys tell me what you think? Does that sound right? Should I swap get all new 8 coils again, or what do you guys think?